Hi cuties! Tara, samahan nyo kaming bisitahin ng isang Bali-inspired oasis right here in Tagaytay. Ang una mong mapapansin pagpasok mo dito ay ang cozy at chill na ambience ng lugar. And look at these interiors, ang ganda 'di ba? Meron ding indoor and outdoor seating and mas pinili namin sa loob kasi medyo marami kami. Mukhang magiging mas comfy kasi kami sa loob. Pero syempre, ang highlight talaga dito is the food. For starters, we ordered the tofu sisig na 360 pesos. Stir-fried tofu na may chopped chili and onions. Normal na tofu sisig pero ito malalaki yung slices and perfectly seasoned kaya ang sarap. Tama lang yung alat and anghang. Ito actually yung favorite ko sa lahat ng in-order namin. We also tried their crab rangoon for 290 pesos. Crispy fried crab and cream cheese wonton served with sweet chili sauce. Okay naman siya, although hindi ko malasahan yung crab pero creamy and cheesy talaga siya. For the salad, we chose the Almost Caesar salad priced at 230 pesos. Of course, may lettuce, tomato, onion, cucumber, parmesan cheese at homemade Almost Caesar dressing at topped with croutons. Ang sarap nito! Sa main dish naman, nag-order kami ng half the unknown oriental chicken na 650 pesos. To be honest, hindi ko ito natikman pero sabi ni mami malasa at masarap daw. Dahil kasama ko ang family ko, nag-order din kami ng platters. We tried their smoked beef brisket platter. 800 grams ng beef brisket served with cropex, suka at signature sauce nila. Masarap rin to. Pero para sa price niya and description na smoked for more than 10 hours, medyo I expected more. We ordered another platter of crispy fried pork belly na 600 grams ng lechon kawali. Tasted like the usual lechon kawali. Crispy and masarap. For the rice, we tried the nasi goreng rice platter priced at 390 pesos. Pang 4 to 5 persons as per menu. Ang nasi goreng ay isang popular Indonesian sweet and spicy stir-fried rice. Okay naman to and masarap siya. Pero I find it too sweet for my liking. Alam nyo naman, hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa matamis. Pero si Gio, trip na trip niya tong nasi goreng nila. Lastly, for the drinks, nag-coke in can lang kami. We ordered 4 cans na priced at 70 pesos each. Bill reveal, naka 5,500 pesos kami for 6 persons, excluding baby soul. Kasama na yung 10% service charge sa 5,500. Pwede na kasi may na-take out pa kami. By the way, may sinaserve silang complimentary cropek parang sa lime and basil pero sadly, isang serving lang talaga ang pwede dito. Sobrang nagustuhan pa naman ni Soul. Buti na lang yung mga in-order namin ay may kasamang cropek on the side so pinauna na namin yun for her. And nga pala, isang plus factor dito for us na mahilig sa music ay may open mic dito. So kung mahilig din kayong kumanta gaya namin, for sure mag-e-enjoy din kayo. Overall, sa ambience, food and service, I'd say babalikan pa namin to. Pati ang dami pa namin hindi natatry sa menu nila like coffee, pastries, sandwiches and pastas. We'll make another review about it pagbalik namin dito sa The Unknown Cafe Bar and Restaurant. Located sila dito lang sa Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road, Barangay Pasong Langka, Silang, Cavite. Open sila daily from 10 AM hanggang 9:30 PM lang ng Mondays to Wednesdays, pero hanggang 12:30 ng madaling araw pag Thursdays to Sundays. Perfect na perfect pang pamilya or pang barkada. Anyway, that's another resto crossed off my list. Join me as we dive into more unique flavors and dining spots here in Tagaytay and beyond. Thanks for watching, cutie! Follow for more! Bye!